Hey, this is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market. Today we're going to continue the cover on the Nasdaq contract all the way up towards the major supply area. Hopefully we see the market is reaching to the major area today, breaching it, or maybe even breaching. We have still this range to trade, this gap all the way from here up here, and we're going to talk about possible position within the day. Obviously we see it's an uptrend with this, therefore we want to take a long position, but we would still within the day we have a couple of positions that we can take to short position it. Let us cover it today and talk about the market a bit. Good morning to my Discord community. How are you? I hope you had a very successful trading day yesterday. Of course, reflects result on the group on the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, as I'm saying in every video, tag along to this group of traders. Is a completely free education for you to grab and hold, meet new trader, meet new philosophies and new techniques to trade the market. Let us dive in today. Let us see with a couple different intervals where we can take a possible position within the day. So we already see today with the 4-hour interval that we are sitting in a supply area already. So obviously our options is basically either to short position it or do nothing. So obviously we already see how the price started to establish in the ways accumulate energy already in this area right here. I'm gonna mark it either for here for you. This I'm gonna circle around this area right here. Basically we see how the price accumulating energy towards a bigger move. We see there's no validation that the price is gonna go downwards down here because there's no strong validation with this candle right here. Means that it didn't pass those candles, therefore we cannot take short position from here. But still, if we're gonna narrow down to the 15 minutes interval, which I'm gonna do soon, we're gonna see how the price will behave towards the priceable position. We want to expect the price to basically land on those demands area here, flip and reverse upwards. So let us see how does it look going down in the 15 minutes interval. I want to see how does it look where we're going down. So we see this whole move right here. I'm going to extend it a little bit upwards so we can see it, how the price basically accumulating this energy. If I'm going to activate the night and the day profile, we're going to see it a bit more clear. I'm going to basically cancel those. So we're going to see how the price behave when it reaches those areas. What do we see over here? I know it seems a little bit tangled and we don't see a lot of candles. Well, let's just quickly review what's going on in this specific area right here, this whole area right here. So what do we see? We see the profiles are building up slowly. This is we here see the day profile slowly building up, and we see how the price basically being traded. Whatever we see in the yellow, this is the day profile. Whatever we see in the night, it's the night profile, basically in blue. And what we see over here, that in the day profile, previous day profile, we see we have a short. It means that it can expand upwards. And the night profile, we see how the price have a short. It means that it can basically expand downwards. Meanwhile, the night profile is being traded in the previous day profile before. Means that buyers and sellers did not still have a validation where the price is going to land. Therefore, we're going to look for a specific idea of how to trade this area, knowing that the price basically accumulated energy towards a bigger move. And if it's accumulated energy towards a bigger move and we're seeing that it's an uptrend, we want to take the long position. But we see also that with here we are sitting right now in a 4-hour supply area, and there's another 15 minutes. If I'm gonna mark this pull over here and I'm gonna basically cancel those profiles, we see also how the price basically sits also in a 15 minutes area, a supply area. Means that we already see how the price behave when you reach in those area. Is being formed right here. Price basically reaches this area, flip and reverse downwards. Now the question is how downwards is going to go. Now we know that the price basically accumulated energy towards a bigger move, so we know that price is going to try to achieve to go upwards. So in order for this to happen, two things have to happen. We want to see if we want to take the long position from here, basically we want to see the price breaching this area, going downwards over here and go upwards over here. That's first possible position. Or if I'm gonna use fluke charts, supply and demand marker, we can see that basically also the price can land from here all the way downwards over here or over here and flip and reverse. Now let us see how does it look as far as day and night profile. Basically what we see over here is the possibility that the price, I'm gonna cancel this area right here so we can see it more clear. The price will definitely go downwards from here, lands on this 15 minutes demand pool, which is parallel to the previous night's high value area, or the low value area, which is this 15 minutes area, also parallel to the POC, and then flip and reverse. So we know we can trade this whole area upwards. So if we didn't short position from that time the market started, we still have a chance to take the long position from here upwards. And let us see how much is if we're just dealing with micro contract, dealing with 4 contract upwards. Definitely all the way we can see that we can take a $4,700 only risking $222. On the flip side, if we take this long position from here, we can risk only $176 to create $5,254. I'm gonna station this position over here. Why? Because I'm feeling very safe with this position. I know that this is what calls a virgin area. The price did not hit it before, and the likability when it's trying to complete a bigger move going downwards from here upwards is it's still very high. Therefore I don't want to station this position over here. I know that the price can definitely go down here and flip and reverse upwards, and that's what the move I want to catch for today. Of course, within our group, we can still, and when we will cover those positions during the day. Of course, if you're not part of the group, as always, I encourage you guys to get into the Discord. It's a completely free education for you. If you want to explore the market, if you want to know how to trade future contracts, that this cannot be a better move for you. You can literally meet other traders ready, if it's with your knowledge and expertise or higher or lower. Everybody is holding in a different place, and in the journey we're here to facilitate the help. Tap along and tag along. Of course, if you're new into futures trading, of course, go and explore our courses. They're online, they're available for you to grab and hold. Of course, there's a very affordable price. Those of you who are reaching the website and also drop the email, you have a 10% discount over there in the website. If it's I think it's all over a very significant a discount. Those of you who already attend to me through the Discord and through DMs, of course, I'm available to you. Those traders that purchased those courses before, we're still here to help. I'm very happy that you're reaching out, and I'm always wishing you a successful trading journey, and we're here to help you. As a disclaimer, of course, all of this position is just our trading ideas. Those are not substitution for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor, and we'll continue the discussion on the Discord channels. If you have more things that you want to see from us, different contract, different covers, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are available for you guys. Want to wish you successful trading, and I'm going to see you, of course, in the next market overview. And that's all for today, folks. We'll talk again tomorrow. Have a successful trading day.